Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building the Enterprise-D. I've already done most of the work from today's. It was basically putting in the escape pod covers and putting the plates on the back there. I do need to tighten that down a little bit. I see that's still a little bit loose. So let's get that done. There's two other things to do in this issue, and then I'll be having a look at the magazine, which is what you've all come for anyway this time, I know. So we've got to fix this to the saucer section using these two FM screws and the cover. And we've got to fix this onto that. Well, I say fit. It's just laying it in at the moment. It's the other side window panel for the other main section. It just goes on there like that at the moment, and probably won't stay there until the other bits put on with the bulbs. But for now, that's that done. Let me bring in the saucer section and get this attached, and then we'll have a look at the magazine. Right, here we go. So this is simple. I do like the bright yellow bit. I'm not sure what that denotes exactly on there, but that goes on there. And should just key in. Go under there and over there at the same time. So it's a case of getting the jiggling right. It goes in about like that. Then the two FM screws. Hold that in place. I'll get those done off camera because there's no point in watching me do all of that. Actually, I'll do this now because this is the short episode anyway. What I've also done is have a look in my box of stuff, and I found some other spare hatch covers. So I shall put those onto those ones that were, for some reason, missing them. Although that's the wrong way round. Wait, what? Are they different? There are differences. I'm going to have to find the other one, because that one's got the pins on it the wrong way round. So that one will go on there. That one will go on there. And that one, yeah, has actually got the pins on the reverse way round. So I'll have to find the other spare of those. I've got a couple more spares in the box. I didn't think that they would be different. So I'll put that back and put that there. I'll clear this back out of the way, and I'll bring in the magazine and we'll have a look at what's happening in the world of Star Trek. So here we have volume 22, covering build stages 83, 84, 85, and 86. I've done 3 of these now. Only one more to go, but it looks like a big complicated one, so I'm going to take a little break before I get into it. You will have seen these as I go through anyway, so I'll flick through those bits. Sneak peek of what's to come soon. Lots of work on the middle section, getting it all together. It's going to be quite nice. Nice thing to have done. So, in the actual episodes, what have we got here? Episode 5.6. October the 26th. 28th, 1991. Yes. The game. Yeah, that was the good thing with Wesley picked up a game and everyone got addicted to it. Good stuff. Unification 1. No strong memories from that one. Interesting makeup design, but yeah, it's a thing. Unification 2 obviously follows Unification 1, 2-part episode, as TNG did quite a few of. Nice to get some sketches and stuff from there. Behind the scenes pictures. Matter of Time. Obviously going to be time travel thing. He's the guy that wasn't really a time traveller, spoiler. He stole the tech, I think. If that's the one I'm thinking of. Nice, good episode, and that's where my bit of tape went. Put that back on the model. And that is that. A nice quick look at some episodes. I'm sure we're going to be stepping up the episodes soon because there's not that many more deliveries to go. There's another 10. I think we're 2/3 of the way through, so it's coming together. It's looking good. I shall see you very soon for the next one. It might be tomorrow. It might be a couple of days' time. As I say, I need rest before I tackle that last episode. So thank you very much for watching what you've watched so far. I shall see you very soon in the future. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.